In this video, I want to show you how to download and style CORINE land cover data in QGIS. So let's get started. So open your browser and search for CORINE. Type it and press the enter key. The CORINE stands for Coordination of Information on the Environment. You can read more about it. However, to download, scroll down and come to this link, CORINE Land Cover. Click to open the site. When it opens, this is the interface of the site. You can read about the history of CORINE Land Cover here. And to download this data, you need to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, I've done a video previously showing you how to create an account here. So after logging into your account, scroll down to dataset. And here you can see CORINE Land Cover 2018, which is a vector and also available as raster. And it is 100-meter resolution and is 6-year interval land cover. You can see the land cover for 2012, land cover for 2006, and also for year 2000. So, but to download, for example, let's use this 2018 for example. So scroll up and come to CORINE Land Cover 2018. To download it, click on the download button. So this will bring you to this page. Scroll down to this place and here you can download for area of interest, and also you can download for the entire data, and you can see the available format here. You can see GeoTIFF format and you can see the size, about 120 MB. You can see the geodatabase format, which is about 5 gig. And number 3, you can see the geopackage format, which is about 4 gig. So for instance, I want to download for this geopackage. So I'll click to check it, and then I'll click on add to cart. When I click on add to cart, you can see it has been added to my cart. Then I can click on go to cart. So when I click on go to cart, here is it under my cart. Now to process the download, I have to check it. So I'll come here and check it. Once I check it, I can click on process download request. When I click on it, the processing will start. Then the processing has started. I can now click on downloading process page to view the status. When I click on it, you can see it's processing the request. What it does is that it processes it and sends the download link to your email. From there, you can now download the data. So let me check my email. Let me open a new tab and open my email. Yes, the link has been sent to my email, and here you can see the email the link to download it. So if I click on the link to start the download has started, and it's about 4 gig. You need a very strong internet connection. So after downloading, let's check it out. After downloading, here is the file. So the first thing to do is to extract the file, and to do that, right click and click on extract here. This will take some few seconds to extract it. The extraction is done, and here is it. Double click to open it and you will find another zip file inside. So you need to extract this as well. To do that, right click and click on extract here. So this will also take some time to extract it, and this is because it is a big file. So the extraction is done, and here is it. So double click and you will find about 4 different folders here. You see data, documents, legends, metadata. So the data is where the geopackage data is, and here you can read about the documents, and the legends is when you want to add or import the legend, and I'll show you how to do that very soon. So let's now go to QGIS. In QGIS, let's try to add the geopackage data. So to do that, come to add vector layer, then navigate to where we have the data. I have it on my desktop in my tutorial folder. Yes, here is the folder. Click it. Now come to data, double click it, and here is the geopackage data. Click to highlight it and click on open, then click on add. When you click on that, it will bring you this interface to select. So just select any of these and click on add layers, then click on close. So it's a very bulky data. It may take time to load properly, but in my own case it has loaded. Now if you look at it, because it is a geo package, it did not load the legend. Now there is a unique way or special way of loading in the legend, and to do that, come to that very layer, right click and come to properties. When the properties open, make sure you are under symbology, then here under rendering, click on this style and then click on load style, then click here to navigate to that very folder where we are working, and here is the folder. Come to legend. Remember that initially we loaded the data, now we want to load in the legend, so double click the legend, and here is the legend .qml file. So click to select it and click on open, then click on load style and click on OK. You can see it has loaded the legend, and if I click to expand it, you can see the legend, different land uses this data represents. You can see it here. You can see it, and of course I can hide it, and I can bring my study area on top. Just click and drag this, then check my study area. Here is my study area, so I can now clip my study area for further analysis. But in essence, this is how to download and style CORINE land cover data in QGIS. I hope you like this tutorial. If you face any challenge at any point in this process, let's know in the comment section and we'll be glad to attend to you. Thank you for watching.